My name is Anna Carter, and I was the president at Child Care Services Association from 2013 to 2017. When I came to CCSA, I was well aware of their impact and expertise related to the early childhood workforce and supports for families and children. And I was so glad to be able to be deeply involved in a program that was so committed to doing this work. What I know that we have seen in North Carolina are major changes in our workforce. We have teachers who have completed degrees at an amazing rate in comparison to other states. We have teachers who have made advancements in the quality of work that they do in classrooms with children. And I know that CCSA played such a significant role in that. We know that what programs that have been replicated and spread nationally, such as Teach and Wages, have meant to advancing the workforce. And of course the credit for that goes to the work that has been built at CCSA over the last 45 years. But I don't think that we can forget the other work that CCSA does that has an impact. For example, in the research department, there has been work done on different studies that look at changes in the workforce over time. And that research then gets used in developing new policies in the state and has major impact on us continuing to move forward as a state in advancing quality. CCSA has been also very involved in supporting infant toddler programs and teachers through a statewide project. And that has done more to advance quality in those classrooms than other programs. I think it's also important to look at what happens at the local level. CCSA has been able to support families through providing scholarships so that children are able to access high quality, and through providing technical assistance and professional development in programs. And through the meal program, making sure that children have access to healthy and nutritious lunch and breakfast and snacks. So I think it's really important to think about CCSA as a whole and look at the work that has been done at the local level, across the state and nationally. And it's pretty incredible to think about the vision that went into the growth of CCSA in order to be able to do those kinds of things. I also think it's important to know that part of the success in rolling out that vision have been the staff that have worked at CCSA. Many staff who are working there now have been there for decades, and their knowledge and commitment to children and families and the workforce have really shown through in the kinds of programs that I described. An agency is really only as strong as the staff within it, and I think CCSA has been so fortunate to have staff that have really been able to make sure these programs continue to grow and thrive and meet the goals that the programs set out to do.